My name is Tanja Gehring. I am Senior Marketing Manager, Marketing and Internal Communications at RSM Richter Chamberland. RSM Richter Chamberland is an accounting firm. We have about 400 employees and 48 partners here in Montreal, and they are the ones primarily who are going to be using Salesforce.com, the solution that Buzz Solutions has helped us implement. With this project, our primary objective was to better manage our touch points with our contacts. So we had a database where we had a lot of our contacts stored. However, it was really being used primarily by marketing. It wasn't extended to the partners, to other people who are involved in business development. And as business development became more of a focus for our firm, we needed a better tool to manage that. Our primary business pain was that information wasn't being shared amongst the different people involved in our firm. And we were encountering issues with double tagging on a client, for example, and not being aware where certain opportunities were coming from. So it was really, for us, the solution that we're looking at is to be able to solve those problems. Cloud computing for us was an interesting solution because we didn't have the resources or to manage bringing in a whole new software internally, and to have the cloud computing solution was interesting for us because we could leverage everything that's being done by the other companies. Some of the challenges that we had in the project were to really be able to looking at the business analysis and to bring our processes, which are a little different, into the system. And we also had processes which were different depending on the divisions and the groups that we were speaking to. So a challenge was to build a solution that answered all of their needs without becoming too complex. So I think that was a big problem with us, and Buzz Solutions helped us in that area because they helped us map it out and make decisions based on what they're seeing, what they've seen with clients, and what they're seeing in terms of best practices. The expectations for this project have absolutely been met. We're rolling out with a solution which is complete, which addresses our business needs, which is going to enable us to better manage our opportunities. We're going to have a pipeline. We're going to have a way to track all of our business referrals and our contacts, which are huge, is a huge amount of people, and just be able to give everybody in our company the opportunity to be able to follow this and share information. When we made the decision to move forward with a CRM solution, in this case Salesforce.com, we also really needed the assistance of a third-party consultant to help us bring it in. What was important for us was to find somebody who had experience with companies that are similar to ours, such as a services provider. We also needed someone who was aware of business practices and who had project management skills that could guide us in this area and tell us where to go and where not to go. The benefits of working with Buzz Solutions were that we really felt that we had a partner at our side who not only understood the business practices related to CRM, but who gradually began to understand who we were. So that was very important, and also the fact that the responsiveness was very high. So when we had questions, I was very involved in the project, and I can assure you that I sent a lot of emails with questions and changes, and the speed with which I got not only answers, but in some cases solutions, hey, that change is done, was fantastic. The way that Buzz Solutions structured the team really worked for us. So we had a primary contact who helped us a lot with the business analysis and was available for us at all times. And then we also had a project manager who helped guide us in terms of timelines and was also an additional resource when we had questions. So we always felt like we had a central point of contact who could get back to us and give us questions at any time, but we also knew that behind that contact there was a whole team of people who were also following the project. The best quality of the Buzz team is really that there's a true desire to help us get to the finish line, to help us make sure that we have a successful project.